Nikon D780. Why it's killing mirrorless for real photographers. Ever felt like your camera's holding you back? That frustrating freeze frame when light fades, focus hunts endlessly, or battery dies mid-magic moment. It's like your gear whispers, "Not today," right when inspiration strikes. Drop a click in the comments if you've battled this creative block too often.
That hesitation snowballs into real burnout. Deadlines loom, shots slip away in dim venues, and you're constantly swapping lenses or nursing a dying battery. If you're juggling photos and video, it's chaos. Imagine a hybrid DSLR that flows seamlessly, capturing every whisper of light without the drama or downtime.
Enter the Nikon D780 with the versatile AF-S NIKKOR 24 to 120mm f4G ED VR lens, the breakthrough that feels like two cameras in one. This full-frame beast packs a 24.5 megapixel BSI sensor for stunning low-light detail and a dual AF system. 51-point viewfinder speed meets 273-point live view precision with eye detection magic. One wedding pro shared, "Silent shooting nailed the ceremony without a sound, and the constant f4 aperture kept exposures steady through zooms." Feel the grip's reassuring heft, the tilting touchscreen's intuitive swipe, and that VR-stabilized clarity turning handheld haze into sharp dreams. It's your bridge from DSLR reliability to mirrorless innovation. Here's one way it saved a travel shoot. A landscape enthusiast captured epic sunsets at ISO 6400 with zero noise, all on a single charge. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end on unlocking 12 FPS silent bursts for wildlife without spooking your subjects.
This kit unleashes a hypnotic rush of efficiency and focus. No more low-light guesswork. The BSI sensor pulls details from shadows like a secret ally, while 4K UHD video with N-Log delivers cinematic depth that pros crave. See why thousands can't stop raving about this hybrid DSLR's performance. A tech specialist gushed, "Live View AF rivals mirrorless, but with DSLR battery life that laughs at all-day shoots." One influencer confessed, "The 24 to 120mm VR let me handhold 1/15 of a second at 120mm for tack-sharp portraits. Mind-bending stability." You might scoff at DSLRs in 2024, but this one's low-light prowess and 2,260-shot endurance crushed the competition, turning frantic hunts into fluid artistry. Imagine the thrill of eye-locked portraits or slow-mo event clips that pop with full-frame soul. Which feature would reignite your passion, the endless battery or that zoom versatility? Comment below.
Limited stock on this Nikon D780 kit means it's vanishing fast. Join the photographers who've leveled up their low-light game and video workflows with a setup experts call the ultimate F-mount bridge. Don't let another sunset shot fade into mediocrity. Click now to grab yours and unlock our exclusive Snap Bridge tip for wireless transfers that make editing feel effortless. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your workflow today.